Good morning all of you. Myself Monica from RPS Degree College, MSc Physics second sem student. Today we will discuss OLED, Organic Light Emitting Diode. Contents: Introduction, Structure of OLED, Working Principle, OLED Deposition, Types of OLED, Advantage and Disadvantage of OLED, Application, Conclusion and Differences. We will discuss introduction. OLED is a solid state light emitting device made from thin film of organic molecule. It uses the principle of electroluminescence. It is an emerging technology of display. These diodes are about 100 to 500 nanometer thick and 200 times smaller than human hair. OLED are made from carbon and hydrogen. They does not require any backlight. They are self-emitting. To understand the working of OLED, we will discuss a little topic about LED. One word in use, electroluminescence. What is the electroluminescence? Electroluminescence is an optical phenomena. क्या होता है कि ऑप्टिकल और इलेक्ट्रिकल फिनोमिना इन विच ए मटेरियल डेट एमिट लाइट इन द रिस्पॉन्स टू द पैसेज ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट और स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रोलुमिनेसेंस प्रोसेस. नेक्स्ट, एलईडी, लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड. एलईडी इज ए पीएन जंक्शन डायोड डेट एमिट लाइट इन फॉरवर्ड बायस. इन फॉरवर्ड बायस, electron and holes move across the junction and combine. According to quantum theory, when electron comes down from higher energy level to lower energy level, the energy is emitted in the form of light or photon. The photon energy is equal to the energy gap between these two energy levels. And these pictures show LED, light emitting diode, and organic light emitting diode. Next we will discuss structure of OLED. OLED has many thin layers of organic material. It comprises 2 or 3 organic layers like conducting layer, emissive layer, and other layers such as substrate, cathode layer. When direct current is applied, charge carrier from the cathode are injected into organic layer and light is emitted. Let me discuss layer. First सबसे पहले लेयर है सबस्ट्रेट लेयर. सबस्ट्रेट लेयर क्या होती है कि दिस लेयर इज ए थिन शीट ऑफ ग्लास with a transparent conductive layer which can also be made by plastic layer. This substrate supports the OLED structure. This picture shows cathode layer, electron transport layer, emissive layer, hole transport layer, hole injection layer, anode layer and substrate layer. Next is anode layer. This layer is an active layer or removes electron. When current flows through this device, electrons are replaced by electron holes. These thin layers are deposited onto anode surface. Conductive layer. In this structure that transport the holes form the anode layer, and this layer is made up of organic plastic and the polymer. Used include light emitting polymer and light emitting diode. Emissive layer. This layer transport electron from anode layer and it is made up of organic plastic molecule that are different from conducting layer. Cathode layer. Cathode layer is responsible for injection of electron where current flows through this device. Next we will discuss working of OLED. This diagram shows working of OLED. A voltage is applied across the anode and cathode, and current flows from cathode to anode through organic layer. Current flow कर रहा है cathode to anode organic layer, and electron flow to emissive layer. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है फ्लो कर रहे इमिसिव लेयर की तरफ फ्रॉम द कैथोड एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन आर रिमूव, इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव कर दिया फ्रॉम द कंडक्टिव लेयर एंड उसने क्या लूज कर दी होल एंड होल जंप इनटू एमिसिव लेयर, होल कहाँ जंप कर गई एमिसिव लेयर में एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड होल्स कंबाइन, इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड होल्स कंबाइन हो गई, क्या हुआ है लाइट एमिटेड हो गई। सम स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ OLED, ट्रांसपेरेंट OLED, फोल्डेबल OLED, phosphorescent OLED। ट्रांसपेरेंट OLED कि दिस OLED consist of transparent substrate, anode and cathode, and light get emitted bidirectionally. These are useful for heads-up display and transparent projector screen. Foldable OLED. These OLED are made up of flexible metallic foil or plastic substrate. It is lightweight and durable. Phosphorescent OLED. This OLED work on the principle of electroluminescence, used to convert 100% of the electrical energy into light. They reduce heat generation, operate at very low voltage and have operating long lifetime. And a principle of electroluminescence we will discuss in the back slide. This image show the foldable OLED, transparent OLED and phosphorescent OLED. Next slide is advantage of OLED. Advantage: OLED is thinner, lighter and more flexible. It do not require any backlight like LCDs. Fast response time, large field of view angle about 170 degree, brighter than other display, low power consumption. And next is disadvantage of OLED. OLEDs are expensive, lifespan is less, OLED can be damaged by water. In OLED, balancing color is not easy. Next is application of OLED. Major application of OLED technology: OLED TV, mobile phone with OLED screens, smartwatch with OLED screen. And OLED TV image this one, like OLED TVs are foldable, and this image so mobile phone with OLED screen कि मोबाइल फोन्स पे OLED स्क्रीन ये होती है। एंड नेक्स्ट इमेज आर सो स्मार्ट वॉच विद OLED डिस्प्ले, ये होती है स्मार्ट वॉच की OLED की डिस्प्ले। एंड नेक्स्ट इज कंक्लूजन। कंक्लूजन क्या की as OLED technology will mature, it will be able to improve certain limitation of current displays. Organic light emitting diode is evolving as the next generation display expensive. These are the references. And in last, thank you very much.